Hi everyone, welcome back. Let's head inside before we get soaked. I've already extended the timber into the wall there and supported it, so it comes along here. Now the next job for me to do is come across here, pick up from the newel post up above and link this corner all together. So once the downpour has stopped, we'll get the trailer on, get down to Builders Merchants, get the timber, and we'll get this corner underway. There's a break in the weather. Let's get down to Builders Merchants. Okay, we're back now. Now when I say it's been sunshine and showers, boy, did we just have a thunderstorm, and then it stops and then the sun's out, so yeah. At least it stops. Right, let's get inside and figure out how we're going to do this. Leave that on for now. So here's what I plan to do. And then the newel post from up above will come through the floor and it will be brought down to this level. In turn will be fixed into this new box section that we're going to fit in. I've done some measurements. It's 700 to the underside here. The post I've got upstairs is 1.7, which is perfect because it gives me a metre high to the handrail upstairs. So that's a real bonus that I've already got that post. Let's go upstairs and figure out how to get that through. Better keep an eye on that weather. Okay, so here's our post. Lovely piece of solid oak. Now we've got to sink that through the floorboards in the appropriate place and then pick up with our framework below. Okay, let's get some measurements going. Okay. I think the easiest thing will be to punch some holes from below so I know exactly where the beam is, and then up above we'll cut out the opening from the top. Yep, that should do it. Kind of square. So now I need to suspend this post 700mm down from this point here. How am I going to do that? Like this. Now we can level it up. That's great. Now, I bet you're wondering what you're going to use for those spindles and the handrails. Well, I've had a brainwave. Follow me. So we're in the barn next door, and what you can see is a hay feeder. Now what is that screaming out for? Yep, I think so too. That will be perfect for the handrail. Just run the tape over it. I think I measured it a long while ago and it was going to be okay, but I'll just double check. Yeah, like I remembered, perfect. Okay, back in, let's do some measurements before that rain comes again. Got to build out a new box section, get it all fixed in, and then fixed in to that post there. Yeah, that storm's never far away. Oh, yep, that is going to pour down. I can see it coming this way. It's not ideal, but it's better than it gets soaked out there. These timbers are quite big to cut by hand. All hands on deck. Now what normally happens, that I've done several times today, you pack everything away, yeah, and it doesn't rain. The second you don't, it does. Okay, never mind. Maybe. We'll just fix it all together with these big heavy duty angle brackets, and then we can get fixing in after. Well, after numerous modifications, trial and errors, I'm now ready to lift it in place. I've got to work out how to hold it while I fix it now, so I think I've got an idea. That might work. That's kind of working. Let's get some more fixings in. Yeah, that'll work. Got a screw in there now so I can move it left to right, up and down a bit, get it exactly where I need it. Just need to hold it up a bit higher in place. Coming along. Now this post needs to be pulled into that quite a bit. Yep, the birds are telling me off for doing overtime. I think I'm keeping them awake. Well, we've made progress. It wasn't as much as I'd hoped today, but as you well know, sometimes it doesn't always go according to plan. And if I get a good secure fix in that end, we know we've already got one that end, I may leave that open. Well, the day has got away from me, and I've learnt by experience not to push me luck when you start dragging your feet about, and I'm getting a little bit like that today. So I think we're going to call it a day, and I'll see you in the next one tomorrow. Hopefully we'll have a better go at this. Bye for now.